Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your unlisted shorts public. First, understand that an unlisted short is not private. It's simply not searchable. Anyone with the direct link can view it. To change this, you'll need to access your video settings. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments, allowing your content to reach a much broader audience on the platform. To begin, open your web browser and go to YouTube Studio. You can also use the YouTube Studio mobile application. After logging in, look for the menu on the left side of your screen. You will see an option labeled Content. Click on this to view all of your uploaded videos, including your shorts. This is where you manage all your video uploads. Now find the specific short you want to make public. Hover over it and click the pencil icon, which opens the Details page. On this page, scroll down until you see the Visibility option. It will likely show Unlisted. Click on this and choose Public from the available options. Finally, and this is crucial, click the Save button in the top right corner to confirm your changes. Once you have saved your changes, return to your content page in YouTube Studio. You should now see that your short's visibility status has changed to Public. This means it is now discoverable by everyone on YouTube. Consider sharing your short on other social media platforms to further boost its initial views and engagement. Congratulations, your short is now live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.